Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to tension the blade properly on the Aldi Workzone scroll saw. So at the back here you've got the tension lever, and when it's tensioned it should always be down like this. When it's up you can then go and change the blade, and the blade will be loose and it will be easy to get it out. So the way you want to set it, because if you turn it anti-clockwise it will loosen the tension off on this lever. If you turn it clockwise it will tighten it more, so you need more strength to press the lever over. So the place where you want to try to get this is so when you try to tension it, it goes over reasonably easily, and also the blade sounds taut. So yeah, that's reasonably easy just to push over with your fingers, and that's how it should be set. Also, if you want to know how to fit the pinless blades, I did go over that in my original video, and also I did make another video on how to attach the guard and the work hold down, and show how to fit the pinned blades as well. I'll put links down below to them in the description, and I'll try to put a link in the video. So I hope that's of help to somebody, and thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, please comment down below. Let me know if you're having any problems, and I will try to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.